Also for Lonnie, I'm Ioane Ioane, and I live in Auckland, but I am from the village of Faatoia and Magiagi in Upolu. It's been written that I am a multi-disciplinary artist. I do lots of everything, and it's a privilege to be on this FALE-SHIP. The residency called me in the time where me and my brothers, we were organising our mother's birthday. Yeah, and I think that's quite special for me because like my brothers, so we adore and we love our mum to death. And it's a very special occasion this year, her turning 90. And to have it involved in this FALE-SHIP is special for me.
What's one word do you think could describe your work?
I would describe my works or my mahi as things that occur in the space between. We all have our desires and fears and aspirations and challenges, and when you go to an exhibition, you only see the glamour bit of it. Much like rugby, you know, when you go to watch a rugby match, you only see the glamour bit. But there's a lot of discipline, hard work, hard mahi, and sacrifices that goes in the lives of artists, and it's good to share that with people, yeah, and also toko other artists, our colleagues, with that.